morning, Falcons.
It is Monday, November 4th. Please stand for the flag salute. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Alright, everyone. Hopefully you're having a fantastic Monday morning. Let's begin. I'm not going to start with academics. You know what we're going to do? I want to send much love to the football team. You know what you guys did? You ruined Bassett's season. You look at Bassett's season and you just said, you know what? You're about to get ruined. So I want to send much love to everybody in varsity football. Thank you guys for making us feel proud. You know, you guys got heart. So keep that up. All right, Yaneli, I did the first one. You get the next one.
All right, Falcons, on to activities. Class package holders, don't forget your November payment is due the 1st, which probably already passed. So please make your payments as soon as possible. Pictures are in the student store. You must have your ID. Football, tennis, volleyball, cheer, cross country, underclassmen, and homecoming. All pictures are in, so go pick them up. Remember, student ID at the student store.
All right, guys, representatives from Claremont Graduate University will be here on Wednesday. They will be looking for students that are interested in participating in a study regarding healthy eating habits. The study is for 14 through 17-year-olds. They will be here passing out flyers and inviting students to participate. Families participating in the study have the opportunity to receive up to $125 to compensate them for their time. So remember, guys, if you are interested, look out for Claremont grad reps at lunch and in break on Wednesday.
All right, Falcons, don't forget there is an ICC meeting Thursday in room 605 at lunch. So make sure your club sends a representative.
All right, yes, because this team needs to be called Frosh Soft. All right, remember, guys, Frosh Soft football, listen up. Your team picture day is on Wednesday at 3:45 p.m. at the field. So if you please come for pricing info, go to the activities office to get your money ready for your picture day.
All right, come cheer on your Falcon athletes at the following games. Tuesday, we have volleyball versus Ganesha home at 3:15, 4:15, and 5:15. And Wednesday, we have cross country at Scabaron Park away at 2.
On Thursday, we have the aforementioned Frosh Soft football away at Ganesha. That will be at 3:15. And on Friday, we have varsity football versus Ganesha home. That will be at 7, so make sure you come out. And to finish it off, Saturday, we have girls basketball fall league. That will be taking place here through 9 at 5. So, guys, hopefully you're having a fantastic rest of the day. I know we are. Yaneli, you got this one.
All right, guys. So, for Falcon TV, I'm Yaneli.
I'm Isaiah. You stay classy.